Now that we got that removed, gonna work on this intake manifold. Gonna have to remove this hose and this hose, this hose. I believe there's at least, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right there underneath the throttle body. That's the bolt you want to take off right there. So I say it's a good idea to start off with the ratchet first. Take off the extension with the socket on the end and use my fingers to turn it. Get you an extension, people. It will save your life. There we go. You don't have to go out super hard on the trigger. It's way faster than what your hand does, so patience is still a virtue. Oh, and it came with it. If you can, when you take stuff off, try to put the bolts and nuts back in the holes. You got it out of that way. When you go to replace the part, you pretty much got that lined up to where everything needs to go. Well, I hate these clips. Get you some pointed needle nose pliers. It's definitely gonna help with this. This one did a flip-a-rama on me. Okay. Whatever bastard did this can rot in hell. Whoever invented this clip is a complete and total bastard. I'm just saying. I had to turn the entire sleeve on the hose around just to get the clip upward, so I could use my needle nose pliers to clip the two ends together and slide it backwards. Like, this is ridiculous. I also had to I had to turn around the intake manifold to even get to that part. But once you get all of these 6 bolts out, including the one under the throttle body, and you take off that hose, it'll be, and this hose too, it'll be particularly easy to move this around so that you can get to it if some bastard decided to flip the clip upside down.